Okay, we're going to go through and use the plastic panel clamps to connect each one of the manifolds together. So each clamp set is comprised of two halves, which form the clamp. The gasket that goes in the middle that the clamp actually seals the panels with, and a latch which actually locks everything together. And then on the latch there's a little locking clip that keeps them from coming apart in the future. So we'll start on the first collector connection. We'll seat the gasket. There's a groove at the end of each manifold for the gasket. Which corresponds to the groove on the other side. You'll need to use channel locks to close the clamp while you're putting on the latch. And you'll push the latch on, and you should hear and feel a click, which means it's secure. Then you want to go back with your locking clip and snap that in. So now that we have all the collectors connected together at the top manifolds, we'll come back and we'll flip the mounting hardware tops back over and secure them in place. You should just be able to press them down, and you should get a click, meaning that everything's secure.